Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to see the Android version on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So in case you're wondering what Android version your phone is currently running, all you have to do is simply tap on Settings, and then within the settings, tap on About Phone, and then scroll down and find the option Android version. So as you can see, that's your Android version, and mine is currently running Android version 15. So alternatively, you can simply tap on this option a couple of times, and you should see this option indicating that this is an Android 15. So that's basically it on how to check the Android version on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.